everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines. Here are the headlines you're working for you through this late week. We start with fall hydrant flushing. That's right, it's going to be starting. The City of Fitchburg Utilities Department will be conducting its fall hydrant flushing program on Monday, starting Monday, September 22nd through Friday, October 17th. All areas of the city will be flushed during this time. The western portion of the city will be flushed using the indirectional flushing. Residents may notice discolored water or changes in water pressure during this time. If it occurs, please run your cold tap to full flow for a few minutes and consider doing laundry in the evening time. Water remains safe to drink during this process. Routine maintenance ensures quality and system reliability. If you got any questions, you can check in with our utilities department. Fitchburg Urban Forestry Strategic Management Plan open house is coming up next week. This is going to be at the community center in our Oak Hall room on Wednesday, September 24th from 6 to 8 p.m. and is your chance to learn about the survey results and again provide feedback to the plan. Love to have you out there, and we'll remind you as it gets closer. Fitchburg will be celebrating its 5th year of Bike the BURG with a wrap-up event. This event is going to be a lot of fun. Fitchburg's biking community will come together for Bike the BURG wrap-up party on Wednesday, October 8th at the Gora Pavilion, rain or shine, from 5 to 7 p.m. The event will feature live music, snacks, games, and a short award ceremony at 5:30 p.m., recognizing the top riders from the season and celebrating Fitchburg's achievement as a city with the most bicycle-friendly businesses in the Midwest and 5th in the nation. And finally, the Fall Fest of the Fitchburg Farmers Market is happening tonight. Get excited. September 18th, 3 to 6 p.m. Stop on down for the annual Fall Fest at the Fitchburg Farmers Market. Carriage rides, ice cream for sale to benefit the Eagle School, and so much more. Of course, all your goodies as well.